Every now and again you're going to get a word called a tuple. And a tuple is basically a list, but you can't change anything in it once it's been set. So for example, if we have x is equal to apple 45 and a couple of other little numbers, and I then press enter, once I click on X, it's going to give me that list. But like I said before, the problems with tuples is once they're set, you can't edit them. You can't add to them or append to them or insert things and remove things. So that is exactly the only thing that you could use it for. We're going to start looking at dictionaries, and dictionaries are used to bind a key to a value, and it works very similar to a telephone book. If you have somebody's name and you look it up in the telephone book, then you can normally find their telephone number. So the telephone number is bound to that person's name. Of course, there are other attributes in the telephone book, like where they live and things like that, but we'll cover some more of that sort of stuff a little bit later. So the first thing is we have to start a dictionary. So I'm going to say Jordan is my dictionary's name. So now that I've started Jordan, I can now put some things into this dictionary. So for example, let's say Jordan might need a weapon, and because they've just started, the weapon that they have is going to be a pencil. And Jordan is going to need some sort of health, so we can work out how healthy she is in case she gets hit by something else, flying pencils. And I'm going to start her with, let's say, 10. So if I now write Jordan, I can now see that Jordan has a weapon, it's a pencil, and she has health, and it's currently on 10. We can also just look at specific things. So if I say Jordan, what is her weapon, it's going to come up and say pencil. If there's something that I would like to delete, then we can write delete Jordan, and what do I want to delete? I want to delete health. Now if I type in Jordan again, it should come up and say just pencil, because we've deleted the health part of this.